Recently noticed that the current of these people are happy about this particular stuff. It's not as if they are happy, but like people that actually have their Pi being locked for about 3 years or so, they actually have nothing concern them with this. They're just waiting for the 3 years to come and so that they can unlock. And by then, whatever price they mint is what they start with, right? But people that have actually unlocked that have it saved in the wallet, they've currently have a massive drop at this particular moment, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to be diving into 3 points. So this is the highlight of this particular video. So we're going to be talking about what actually happened in August 1st and how the Pi actually reduced very high, right, in the mining rate, and also the changes we have. And also we're going to be talking about this particular side that says the Pi team remember used that for the lockup that to boost, and kind of we're going to talk about it. And also lastly, we're going to talk about the community and things that actually happen. So if you feel that you want to like see more of these, do not forget to give the video a thumb like. I can go ahead to hit up the subscribe button. So let's come back to the particular price. So this is a new all-time low for this particular project. So if I click on this side which says about, and I'm going to see at this particular side we have about new all-time low to be 0.3410, right? So and if we check out the chart right here, you are going to be seeing a all-time low that we have about 0.3220, but the platform are yet to update, and I thought they should actually do that because everything has to be very accurate, because we have 3.22 and they recorded that. So record is very important. You get what I'm trying to say? So if you come back to this particular stuff, and if you actually check your mining app, right, on your mining app, you are going to notice that the mining rate has actually reduced, right? That's actually reduced. So the mining rate from 0.003 has reduced to 0.002. So they actually took out about 0.001, right? And why are they actually doing this? Is it because this particular project is actually going to be having a higher value soon or something? We are going to know that. And if you actually check out the next update, which is actually the lock, they actually go ahead to advise many others to actually go ahead to lock their Pi, that they encourage them to lock their Pi to get reward and get mining. And I think this is something that is quite good also. Like if you want to do this for a very long time stuff, it's actually good to actually lock. And I think the lock process that actually up right here is what is still holding this particular project to be able to stand and wait for this particular downfall, right? Because the huge amount of money that was pulled out from this particular project is quite massive, that can actually crash this particular project. I've been talking about this for about 3 days now, about the crash that is actually going to happen because of the massive amount that was actually removed. And you can see we have a crash right here. So if you want to join my Telegram, I have a link at the description of the video. You can join for more updates. But for you to be getting updates regularly here, just click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, and do not forget to give this video a thumb like. I'm making more for that video about what is currently happening on this particular project, what you need to know. And before I go, let's talk about the last one, which is about the community, right? So the community member actually talk about the recent app, about the filter content which actually pop up, because if you want to like mine, there's particular white stuff that actually pop up, right? And if you're actually facing this issue that you are finding it to click, it's just white, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a video on that. It's very simple actually. So just comment on the comment section. I will get to know people that are having that side issue.